the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say.
Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm just gonna get straight to the point in this video. I did a very detailed but very simple for beginners makeup look for fall. For my eyes, I used the NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette, and I love it so much, you guys. Honestly, for $12, it did the job. It's really pigmented. Honestly, there are some shadow palettes out there that are so expensive, but NYX always comes through with things that are affordable and that are good quality too. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe before you watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Alright, so to moisturize my face, I always use my SOGLO Cosmetics moisturizing cream, and I have a promo code for them. I will link that below. And I use my milk primer to prime my whole entire face. And now I'm using my LA Girl Color Corrector in the shade Orange, and this is really just going to take away all the dark spots on my face. And yes, that's my son in the background. He's always around. And now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial on this, so I will link that down below also. Always make sure to properly blend the concealer around your eyebrows, or else it'll just look like a big block of nothing. And now I'm using my favorite foundation, the Too Faced Matte 24-Hour Foundation, and this is just amazing. I also have a detailed tutorial on this foundation, so I will link that below also. And now I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and I am going to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, in between my eyebrows right there, and on my cupid's bow, and on my chin also. And this part right here, you just have to blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key to makeup. If you don't blend properly, oh gosh, you guys don't want to know what it's gonna look like, or I'll just show you a picture of what it could look like if you don't blend properly. And now I'm using my Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Blondie, and I'm just setting everywhere that I put my concealer, and I'm using a brush to apply it on my face. And to contour, I'm using my Morphe Brontour in the shade SHOWMANCE, and I'm just contouring around my nose and my cheekbones. And now I'm just blending it out. It's time for the eyeshadow. So I'm using this shade right here, and I'm using a blending brush, and I'm just putting it over my crease and making sure it's nice and blended. And now I'm going to use this darker color here, and I'm putting it on my crease using the same blending brush. Using this nice golden bronze color, I'm gonna take my finger and apply it all over my lid with my finger, and you'll notice that I'm putting it a little bit in the corner of my eye, and that's because I really like that dewy look, and that's what gives it. And now I'm just giving you guys a close-up of what it looks like. You guys, it's very simple. It's not a complicated look at all. Anyone can do this. And now I'm putting on my Diorshow mascara. It's my favorite mascara. I have no lashes, but this somewhat gives me an illusion of lashes. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to highlight my face. This is my favorite palette ever. And yeah, I put it on right there on my cheeks, and I put on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. And now I'm putting some blush, so I'm blending 2 colors on my cheeks, and I will definitely link it down below, and this is the Morphe blush. And for my lips, I'm taking the chestnut lip liner and lining my lips. And now I'm taking the cork lip liner and I'm actually filling in my lips for it to be like a lipstick. And both of these are from MAC Cosmetics. So you can wear this look just like this without lashes, or you can put on lashes like I did, and this is the look. So as you guys know, this is the final look, and I really love this. You can wear it out for any occasion, either wear it with lashes or no lashes. This is really like a simple look that just goes with anything. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. Like, don't be shy. I will definitely try my best to come through. So just let me know what you guys want to see next, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.